Are you careful to make healthy choices for yourself and your family? With filtered water, you can help make a positive difference in the purity of your water, your budget, and the environment. Groundwater sources and water treatment facilities can't eliminate all the possible contaminants in your drinking water. Traveling a large network of pipes before reaching your sink, your drinking water can pick up contaminants along the way, like lead, mercury, chlorine taste and odor, particulates, benzene, and toxaphene. Contaminated water can also reach your refrigerator ice and water dispenser and negatively affect the taste and smell of your drinking water and ice cubes. Filtering water through activated carbon traps impurities before reaching your dispenser. As a last line of defense, a refrigerator water filter can eliminate most contaminants from entering your drinking water. Providing you and your family clean, clear, filtered ice and water.